मैं आप लोगों को अपना हॉल दिखाऊंगी। ये हमारा ड्राइंग रूम। It's my father picture, and it's my father dress and my father. It's my both big sister and my father. Look, my biggest sister and my bigger sister, and he's my father. This is the all pictures. Look, read. Few souls are larger than life. This is me. There's many babies, small. Who is I? Like this small babies. Who's I? He's my father. Look, he's my father. This is stuffed duck, and this is the flowers, my flowers, and this is peacock, stuffed peacock. This is the chairs. This is table, and this is food table. This is sofas. This is decoration pieces. This is too, and this rose flowers is not fake. It is real. It's my father's shield, and this is my father's unit flag. Unit sign, I mean. It's a lamp. Look, there's a switch, and this is too a lamp. They have switch. And this is my father's unit picture. Muhafiz Kazinak. You can read it. Look. They're in white. Muhafiz Kazinak. This is a clock. This is my flowers. And this is flowers. You can say it bowls. This is the box. They have my father Pakistan flag and my father picture and my father cap, and there's a badge, and this is my father name, Rostam. You don't read because they have black and brown. You can read Rostam. You can read this also. The dignity to serve the country will continue. Lasad Abdullah Rustam, receiving the pride of his father, Colonel Rustam Ali Chauhan. Saad Abdullah Rustam is my brother. Okay, guys.